Hey man, look man. Vlog. I missed the first one, babe. TK in this bitch today though.
This is the first one.
Oh shit, well.
They throwing rocks.
No. Hey, restart.
Real fishing.
Yeah, we got that real fish.
Boy,
We
if you
got
don't
your love in the building though. So he had to come out and show what's going on today.
Ain't no good fishing over
RJ. Give it up. This that nigga DJ. Do I need to cut that out? Bitch!
That's what I'm saying. You scaring the fishes, bro. Just like
Nigga, we ain't catching none of them.
A few minutes later.
ain't nothing in here but fucking minnows. I ain't catching. I don't got a worm on this motherfucker. Come on. I do get a fish. How the fuck is a fish supposed to